Today we are making omelets.
This is the third time making omelette with Papa. We can make a playlist out of it named
Papa's Omelet Guide. Finito!
That's a good name.
This is that special weird fried omelet that I was talking about.
Let's make Papa's weird omelette.
Heat 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat, and
Heat 1 microspoon of unsalted oil over a non-stick pan.
as soon as that begins to bubble and it's fully melted,
It's fully in liquid form.
crack in 4 whole eggs.
Cracking one whole egg.
Let those cook just until the whites are set.
Let it cook until whites are set.
Hit it with some salt, then
Hitting with NaCl.
add a lid and let them cook for 30 more seconds,
Adding lid.
just to take care of any extra uncooked egg white.
No uncooked extra egg white.
But leave the yolks runny or you make a sad papa.
Runny yolks. No Papa sad.
Then simply add the cheese of your choice.
My cow died last week.
You lying to people.
Get it extra melted with a torch.
I don't have a fancy torch.
Snag your spatula and fold that bad boy in half.
Fold that good boy in half.
And look, whether you like it or not, this is how I like to eat it. Pop it onto a plate.
I know I'm gonna like it because I made a regular fried egg with a crazy twist. Fold it inside, Papa.
A lot of people were like, what the heck? A fried egg cheese omelet?
Yep, that's me. Look how I struggle with this.
Failure!
How do my eggs not stick to the skillet? Well, before we answer that question, if this isn't the appropriate ratio of ketchup to egg, you gotta ketchup. Yikes, sorry. Anyway,
Since I got to used to eggs sticking to non-stick pan, I'm using non-stick one today. That ketchup to egg ratio is fine. Anyway, I love you, Doobie.
for the perfect crispy style egg, you wanna first prepare a sturdy aluminum pan.
A not so sturdy non-stick pan.
Heat the skillet until extremely hot, almost to a point where you see smoke rising.
I see the smoke rising. There. See.
At this point, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, something with a high smoking point like vegetable, canola, or grapeseed.
I'm using sunflower oil. Is it considered vegetable oil?
Since metal expands from heat, drizzling in the oil at a high temperature allows the oil to penetrate and creates almost this all-natural non-stick coating. Then crack a beautiful egg into the pan, turn the
Cracking my handsome egg into the pan.
heat back on, and baste the egg whites with the oil. Do not be tempted to scrape the bottom of the egg at this point.
My attempt to scrape the pan.
The egg will naturally release itself from a process called Maillard reaction with a crispy caramelized bottom, just like you. And voila, I hope this
I don't
answers.
think I have that crispy caramelized bottom. I have a soft one. I always want to try one of Doobie's recipes, so I tried this one. She has some magical aura.
This is a result of my last video. Unfortunately today, 16th of May, happened to my birthday. If you're wishing me happy birthday, thank you so much.
You wanna know what else is full of tubes flowing with goopy yum yum?